Hi everyone, I am Vijay Kumari, Assistant Professor in Department of Commerce from E-Content Development Center, Majlis Arts and Science College, Puramannur. In this class, I am going to present a topic on introduction about e-commerce and the meaning and concept of e-commerce and different e-commerce models. At the end of this class, you will be able to understand the concept of e-commerce and to know more about characteristics of e-commerce and also different activities involved in e-commerce models. Now we are going to see about the introduction part of e-commerce. As we know that internet is the most transforming invention in human history. Internet has transformed the whole business world. The power of the internet as the global access was felt with the introduction of www, that is World Wide Web. Global network could make it easy to have business relations with customers across the world. Computers and networks are creating electronic marketing with vast potentialities in finding and interacting with the customers, communication with fellow firms and developing new products and services. Commerce today is increasingly based upon electronic technologies and the success in any type of business heavily depends upon understanding the properly use of e-commerce technologies. Amazon and eBay are the pioneers in e-commerce industry. Next topic we are going to discuss is meaning and the concept of e-commerce. E-commerce refers to the buying and selling of information, products and services over computer communication networks. In a broader sense, e-commerce refers to the paperless exchange of business information using electronic data interchange, email, electronic bulletin boards, EFT and other network-based technologies. The next topic we are going to discuss is the characteristics of e-commerce. The characteristics of e-commerce may be: first one is ubiquity, second one is global reach, third one is global standards, the next one ample information, another one is interactivity, then next one is information density and last one is personalization or customization. These are the characteristics of e-commerce. Then let us see these characteristics one by one. Ubiquity is the first and foremost important characteristics of e-commerce. In traditional commerce, customers went to the market and purchased something. In advertisement in electronic media motivates the consumers to go to the market and purchase something. In e-commerce, ubiquity means the products and services are available everywhere at all times. In short, now market is not confined to a specific place, it is all around the world. Another characteristic of e-commerce is global reach. E-commerce is much helpful to do business beyond cultural and national boundaries more conveniently and cost effectively than in traditional commerce. As a result, the global share of the e-commerce is widely increased. Another characteristic of e-commerce is universal standards. The technological aspects used by the internet are universal standards. The technologies also used by the e-commerce are universal in nature. Another characteristic of e-commerce is ample information. Today, the customers need not depend on salespeople to access information. Nowadays, information is available just a click. Another characteristic of e-commerce is interactivity. The 20th century e-commerce is interactive in nature, that is two-way communication. Two-way communication between merchant and consumers is possible in e-commerce. Another characteristic of e-commerce is information density. The internet and web vastly increases information density. The total amount of quality and quantity of information available to all market participants is huge in nature. In e-commerce, information collection, processing and storage costs are also minimized. Another characteristic of e-commerce is personalization or customization. E-commerce technologies permit personalization. That means merchants can target their marketing message to a specific customer's name, their interest and their past purchase behavior. These are the different characteristics of e-commerce. Next topic we are going to discuss is different e-commerce business models. The first one is business to business models, that is B2B. Second one is B2C, that is business to consumers e-commerce model. Third one is consumer to consumer business e-commerce model. Then fourth one is business to government, that is B2G model. Then last one is business to employee B2E e-commerce model. Now we can see these different e-commerce models one by one. First one is B2B business e-commerce model. B2B is the major type of business interaction. B2B is the sale and exchange of goods and service between companies. Then B2B is a kind of e-commerce which refers to a company selling or buying goods and services from other companies. One company communicates other companies with an electronic media. E-distributors and e-procurement are the examples of B2B e-commerce business models. Next type of e-commerce model is B2C business e-commerce model. B2C e-commerce consists of the sale of product or services from a business to the general public. Products can be anything from clothing to flowers, and the products can also be intangible products such as online banking, airline reservation, etc. Sellers that use B2C business models can increase their benefits by eliminating middlemen. This is called disintermediation because business sell products directly to consumers without using traditional retail channels. Example Flipkart.com and Naptol.com, etc. Another type of e-commerce model is C2C e-commerce model. C2C e-commerce consists of individuals using the internet to sell products and services directly to other individuals. An online auction is a very good example of C2C e-commerce model. eBay and www.bazy.com are common examples of online auction sites that provides consumer to advertise and sell their products online to another consumers. Another type of business e-commerce model is B2G. B2G stands for business to government e-commerce model. B2G stands for business to government e-commerce model and refers to the supply of goods and services for online government procurement. This is a huge market which mainly covers everything from office supplies to military equipment, and B2G websites offer lower cost and greater administration to the government and make government tendered offers more accessible to companies. One of the main B2G activities include online payment of online government taxes and other online services. Providing vehicle taxes and property taxes are examples of B2G e-commerce models. The last type of e-commerce model is business to employee e-commerce model. It is sometimes called as intra-business e-commerce model. This is the use of intranet technology to handle activities that takes place within a business. Intranet is an internal network that used in internet technologies. Then B2E refers to the electronic commerce which utilizes the intra-business network that allows the companies to render services and also at times products to their own employees. Now I am going to conclude this class. In this class we learned about the introduction to e-commerce and meaning and concept of e-commerce and different e-commerce models. Thank you all for watching and listening this video.